See lots and lots of this. Lots and lots of this. And that. That. Oh boy, fun, fun, fun. Any words? Get back to the grind over here. Oh, where is it? Over there. Anyway, come on, kiddo. Time to get back to work. Peace. And more hammering and chiseling and some more grinding. And I think I'm going to grab my sawzall and maybe see if I can't sawzall in there too. I got that ground down a little bit as much as I could with the big grinder. Hard to get to in there, let me tell you. So, any words? Getting there. Chiseling, more grinding, and more grinding, and more sawzine, and more sawzine. Basically out. Basically. I gotta clean that up in there. Tell you what, my buddy Tyler did a hell of a job welding this in. This was not coming out anytime soon. I finally got these off of here. Kind of got into the back side of this a little bit, but it's going to have to be good because it is what it is. This side I pretty much stayed off of it, but I'm going to clean this up down in here now. Clean that up down in there, and build this back up where I cut it out, which were these pieces here.